Hello everyone, today I'm going to be changing the exhaust on my Suzuki TU250. Not really the most aesthetically pleasing thing, and it's pretty dang quiet, and it's just something I wanted to change, so I went with the blue collar bobber. Make a little exhaust muffler for this thing, which was the best I was able to find, and gonna throw her on here today. There's the stock exhaust, and there's the new blue collar bobber exhaust, and I think it's pretty fair to say it looks a lot better, and it sounds quite a lot better too. Here's what the old exhaust sounds like. So yeah, I think it sounds a lot cooler. It sounds a little more meaty and more aggressive. Definitely sounds like a dirt bike. Kind of sounds like if you put exhaust on your TTR 230, but it makes it a little louder. It makes it sound like a dirt bike, and looks way better. So, success.